Dear friends, are you ready to unlock the extraordinary power within you and manifest your deepest desires? In this mesmerizing video, we're diving deep into the fascinating realm of manifestation and exploring the incredible role that your thoughts play in shaping your reality. But hold on tight, because there's a secret ingredient that needs to be unveiled. Just like a master chef adds spices to enhance the flavor of a dish, there are other spices that need to be added to your thoughts while visualizing for successful manifestation. Without incorporating these crucial elements, you might be unknowingly missing the actual path to follow, and as a result, falling short of your manifestation potential. So get ready to embark on a journey of discovery as we unravel the mysteries behind the power of thoughts and unveil the essential spices for triumphant manifestations. This is your chance to truly understand the art of manifestation and unlock the limitless possibilities that await you. Whether you're a skeptic or a believer, we promise to inspire, inform, and empower you to harness the power of your mind to create the life you've always dreamed of. If you are new here, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative and motivational videos on manifestation. All right? Let's start with understanding the basics of law of assumption. To make positive assumptions about desires, it is crucial to have a deep understanding of what you truly desire and why you want it. Without this clarity, it's difficult to make effective assumptions and manifest your desires. Let's dive deeper into these concepts and discover how they can bring about incredible transformations in your life. Before making any assumptions about your desires, it's important to take the time to truly understand what it is that you want and why you want it. This self-reflection and introspection are essential because they allow you to tap into your true motivations and align your desires with your core values. For example, if you desire financial abundance, ask yourself why it is important to you. Is it for security, freedom, or the ability to support your loved ones? Understanding the underlying reasons behind your desires will help you make positive assumptions that resonate with your true intentions. Once you have a clear understanding of your desire and its underlying motivations, it's time to inspect the details surrounding it. Use your imagination to visualize every aspect and element of your desire as vividly as possible. Imagine how it looks, sounds, and feels to have already manifested your desire. For instance, if your desire is to start your own successful business, visualize yourself in your dream office, interacting with clients, and witnessing the growth of your venture. By exploring these details using your imagination, you develop a crystal clear vision of what you want to manifest. After examining the details of your desire, the next step is to get even clearer about it. This means refining and clarifying the assumption you want to make about your desire. Assumptions can be powerful tools for manifestation. For example, if you desire to find a loving and fulfilling relationship, the assumption you make could be that you are deserving of love and the universe is conspiring to bring you your ideal partner. By making this assumption, you are aligning your thoughts and beliefs with a positive outcome you desire. This clarity allows you to release any doubts or negative beliefs that might hinder the manifestation process. By making positive assumptions about your desires and truly believing in their possibility, you create a powerful magnetic force that attracts the manifestation into your reality. Your assumptions shape your thoughts, emotions, and actions in a way that aligns you with the desired outcome. For instance, if you assume that you are capable of achieving your career goals, you will naturally start taking actions and making choices that support your aspirations. This alignment with your assumptions brings about a harmony between your internal state and the external circumstances, increasing the likelihood of manifestation. When trying to manifest multiple desires at once, it can make your mind confused and slow down the manifestation process. The power of thought is incredibly potent, but it requires focus and clarity to manifest desires successfully. When you try to manifest multiple desires simultaneously, your mind can become overwhelmed and scattered. This can dilute your energy and make it challenging for the universe to understand your true intentions. For instance, imagine wanting a promotion at work while also desiring a new relationship. If you split your focus and energy between these two desires, it might take longer to achieve either one. To avoid this, prioritize your desires and focus on manifesting them one at a time, giving each one your undivided attention. Once you have a clear understanding, write affirmations related to your desire on paper or sticky notes. This physical representation serves as a powerful reminder and reinforcement of your intentions. Affirmations should be written as if the desire has already been manifested for your mind to believe it will happen soon. Affirmations are powerful statements that affirm the reality you want to experience. When writing affirmations, it's essential to frame them as if your desire has already been fulfilled. By doing this, you create a shift in your belief system, activating the power of your subconscious mind. For example, instead of saying, "I will achieve financial abundance," try affirming, "I am abundant in all areas of my life. Money flows to me effortlessly and abundantly." The simple shift in language sends a powerful message to your subconscious mind, reinforcing the belief that the desired outcome has already been achieved. Visualization is a powerful tool that allows you to create vivid mental images of the reality you want to manifest. It involves using your imagination to see, hear, and feel as if your desire has already been fulfilled. By combining visualization with affirmations, you create a powerful internal belief system that aligns your thoughts, emotions, and energy with the desired outcome. For example, if you desire a successful career, visualize yourself in your ideal job, feeling fulfilled, empowered, and successful. By consistently practicing this visualization along with affirmations, you create a positive mindset and attract opportunities that align with your intention. Visualizations with emotions and feelings are essential for manifesting your desires. Negative thoughts can prevent you from achieving these manifestations, so it's important to be aware of them and transform them into empowering beliefs. It's also important to be alone and in a calm environment during visualizing. Change your belief system to change the events that occur in life, and use your imagination to create a mental mirror of what you want in your physical world. Take 10 minutes each time to visualize your desired outcome with feeling and emotion, and your mind will start to believe as visualization is done repeatedly over time. As we conclude this video, we have explored the powerful concepts of affirming intentions and visualizing to manifest desired outcomes into reality. We have learned that believing positively in our desires is essential for their manifestation. By understanding that changing our thoughts is the key to changing our lives, we hold the power to transform our reality. We acknowledge the influence of Neville Goddard, whose ideas of manifestation have inspired countless individuals to embrace their creative potential. Through his teachings, we learned that one thought alone has the power to change a life, emphasizing the importance of carefully monitoring our thoughts. We have discovered that creating something in our minds can eventually be manifested in our physical reality if held onto with persistence. It takes consistency and positive thinking for bigger desires to manifest through the method of affirmation and visualization. Remember, as you journey through this path of manifestation, it is essential to recognize that everyone forms their own opinion on these methods. Engaging in open discussions and sharing experiences can help us gain a deeper understanding of how these practices work. So, embrace the power within you, affirm your intentions with conviction, and visualize your desired outcomes with unwavering belief. With consistency, positive thinking, and an open mind, you can manifest the life you truly desire. Thank you for watching, and may your journey towards manifestation be filled with abundance and fulfillment.